Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy crypto from Coinmarketcap. So, as we all know, Coinmarketcap is a cryptocurrency tracker right here, but truth is that you cannot buy crypto in Coinmarketcap. This only monitors your own crypto coins through your own indexing and watch lists and overview. So here you have earn and exchanges, but that doesn't mean you can buy crypto from Coinmarketcap. This only serves as a purpose for tracking your crypto and looking at data where you cannot find it in other applications. But here you can check out where your watch list is. You can add coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, TRX, and Dogecoin, and anything you prefer. From there, you want to add your own actual portfolio and you want to check out this only using the app here. So don't be too fully dependent when using CoinMarketCap because sometimes it will not gather all the actual information correctly. But basically, you will not be able to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap because this is only a crypto tracking application. So there you go.